Introducing the Moon Sumo car seat, where safety meets comfort for every journey. Group 0 Plus ready comfort and safety for little ones under 12 months. Use the adjusting lever to switch positions. Ensure shoulder belts are loosened. Unlock the harness. Gently place your baby in the car seat. Tighten the shoulder belt securely after placing your baby. Tighten the shoulder belt securely after placing your baby. Set the car seat to rear facing. Slide the seat belt through the armrest dash. Hold the other end around the back and buckle it securely. For Group 1 use, set the seat to position 2. Brake for 9 months to 4 years. Look for the red markers. They show exactly where the seatbelt goes. Thread the seatbelt through the red guide, following the red markings on the front side for the opening. Insert the buckle into the right opening, pull it out from the front left, pass it beneath the armrest and fasten the seatbelt. Ensure shoulder belts are loosened. Unlock the harness. Place your child gently into the car seat. Tighten the shoulder belt securely after placing your child. Once your child is seated, tighten the harness for a secure fit. Position 1 offers a perfect fit and trusted safety for Group 2 kids aged 4 to 6. Take out the cushion for a better fit as your child grows. Remove the headrest cushion from the car seat. Place your child gently into the car seat. Tighten the shoulder belt securely after placing your child. Once your child is seated, tighten the harness for a secure fit. Once your child is seated, secure them with the car seatbelt. You and your little one is now ready to go.